Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this video, we'll be going over how to upload your designs to Redbubble and how to create your products. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new tutorial. So now let's go through the process to upload a new design to my Redbubble shop. First, let's start by going up to the top menu and clicking on the account icon. From the drop-down menu, you want to go down and click on the button that says Add New Work. This should take you to the upload page where you can upload your new design to all products or copy settings from an existing work. Since I'm adding a brand new design to my Redbubble shop, I'm going to click on Upload to All Products. You will then be able to search for and select the design you wish to upload. Once you select your design, it should automatically start uploading and you can start filling in your title, tags, and your description. For your title, you should use 4 to 8 words that best describe your design. For your tags, you want to use relevant keywords that are related to your design separated by commas. Try to use keywords and phrases that people are likely to search for when looking for your type of design. Next, you want to come up with a good description of your design. When writing your description, try to use good copywriting, and you also want to try to include keywords in here as well. Once you finish adding your design title, tags, and description, you can scroll down and see previews of all the different products you can add your design to. You want to make sure that you take the time to edit each product that you want to add. To do this, look underneath the product and click on the Edit button. This should bring up your product editing tools where you can edit each style of your product by selecting a display color and adjusting your image on the product. So for the standard print clothing, if I click the drop-down menu under Style, you'll see multiple styles this product is available in. For this example, let's select long sleeve. You'll then see the mock-up image on the left-hand side change to your selected style. You can then select the color that you want your style to be displayed in. To adjust the size of your design on your product, use the slider bar here. You could also rearrange your design on the product by dragging the image, or center your design on the product by using the vertically or horizontally button down below. I think this design location looks okay, so I'm gonna leave it as is. If you wanted to change your design, you could use the Replace Image button here. If you click on the second tab here on the toolbar, you can see all of the different styles that are available for this product. To add or remove a style, simply use the checkboxes here. Beside each style, you can also see the price markup percentage. This determines how much you'll make per sale, with the markup being the percentage of the base price. The default markup is 20%, but you can adjust the markup percentage for any style that you have selected. When you change a markup percentage, you'll see the price change under each style as well. So once you finish editing your design and selecting the markup percentage for each product style that you select, go down to the bottom and click on Apply Changes. So now that I've finished editing the styles for the standard print clothing, I can now move on to the large print clothing. You're gonna want to edit each product that you wish to sell to make sure your design is displayed properly. So let's select the default color, adjust my image size using the slider here, and arrange my image by dragging it to the correct location or by clicking the buttons here to center my image vertically or horizontally. Make sure you do this for each style of the product. If I click on the second tab of the toolbox, I can select the styles that I wish to sell and adjust the markups. Once you're done editing, make sure you go down and click on Apply Changes. You can now move on to your next product. On the products page here, you'll notice that your design goes outside the print area for many products. This is why it's important to edit each product before you publish them to your Redbubble shop. For example, this product needs to be edited so my image doesn't get cut off here. So let's click the Edit button and make my image a bit smaller so it doesn't go outside the print area. I'm also going to drag my image down and center it horizontally. Once my image is the correct size and in the right location, I can finish up by selecting a good background color and by adjusting my markup in the second tab here. Once you're finished, go down and click on Apply Changes. As you can see, you can now view my full image on the product. So take your time and make sure you edit each product and style that you wish to add to your Redbubble shop. Each product that says enabled will be added to your shop when you publish your listing. If you wish to enable a new product or disable a product, simply use the button beside the edit button. For example, face masks are currently disabled, but if I click the button here, it will now say enabled and the mask will be available for purchase in my shop. If I don't want to sell the pin buttons, let's click here to change enabled to disabled, and this product will not be added when I publish my listing. If you go down to the bottom of the page, you also have the option to select up to 2 different media types to add as well. Once you set up product collections, you will also be able to add your design to a collection here. So to finish up, you can select whether or not your image displays mature content, who can view your work, which should be anybody or public if you wish to make sales, and click the checkbox here to confirm that you have the rights to sell the image that you uploaded. Once you're finished, go ahead and click on Save Work. Your new products will then start uploading to Redbubble. And voila, your new work has now been published. So let's click on the View button here and check out my new products. Here's a preview of my design, the title I created, and my description. And here are the 57 products and styles that my design has been added to. All of these products are now available for sale in my Redbubble shop. So there's a quick overview of how to upload designs, edit, and add new products to your Redbubble shop. I have a lot more tutorials on the way, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.